let's review the Pso-Rite.
Pso-Rite.
This little plastic thing seems pretty important.
Pso-Rite.
Let me go over with you why. $80 on Amazon. It's an Amazon choice.
Pso-Rite.
And it's got good reviews. In your hand, it's got 2 humps. It's thick plastic. And it's all about working your hip flexors.
Pso-Rite.
Simple, aggressive, and unmatched. It's all about self-care.
Pso-Rite.
Fight or flight, digestion, all the buzzwords are there.
Pso-Rite.
It's designed to be a therapist's elbow to really get in there.
Pso-Rite.
They say this is better than competitors' products because it's designed to get deep. So deep. All by yourself.
Pso-Rite.
Release tightness in your inner thighs, outer thighs, lower back. Everything. Calf muscles, hamstrings, you name it. It's got it. Now, pay close attention because as I make this video, I've never seen this before, never used it before.
Pso-Rite.
And it really hurt me.
So wrong.
And it's only because of user error, because I didn't know what I was doing. I tried to jam both of those humps into my lower back near my hip.
So
Wrong move. After filming this, I realized it's made wide with 2 humps on it, so it will stay balanced, and you use one at a time. That's a pro tip. If you plan on dropping $80 on some molded plastic like this, you can get a lot of benefits. But do your research, watch some videos. This thing had me having to go fart so bad. I'd worked out for like 2 hours before this, didn't have to fart. After,
subscribe
and turn on notifications.